Welcome you all for today's session. Today we are going to discuss about string concept. String is nothing but it's a collection of characters are enclosed with the single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. There are two type of indexing: forward direction indexing and backward direction indexing. We can say that forward indexing is the positive index value, and then backward direction index we can use the negative indexing numbers. Say for example, if the string is Python, if we are using the forward indexing, the first character has index position of 0, the subsequent character has the index of 1, 2, 3, 4 in the increment way. Similarly, if it is a reverse indexing, the last character has the -1, the preceding characters has the index of previous the decrement index value. Okay, say for example -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and then -6. You can also use either forward indexing or backward indexing. We will see the example. These are the operations are associated with the string: concatenation, repetition, indexing, slicing, size, and then comparison and such. Say for example, I have declared A is equal to hello and B is equal to world. The first operation is, we can say that it is a concatenation, A plus B. Okay, it is concatenated, the two strings are concatenated. Then second operation is the repetition. If I repeat A is 5 times, then the hello string is repeated 5 times. And then next we can say that indexing. We can use index string object name, and then you have to use square bracket. I have to access first character, 0th index position, and then close up square bracket. Then it retrieves the first character of a string. Similarly, if I want to retrieve the last character, I can use the reverse indexing, -1, okay, A of square bracket -1. I have to retrieve the last character of a string. And you can also do the slicing operation. If I am saying that from the first index position to n-1 index position, say for example the n is 4, then it retrieves n-1 characters. If I am saying that it is a 4, then 3, okay, from the first index position to third index position it retrieves the characters. That's why the result is ELL. Then we can also do finding the length of the string with a A. Then it returns the length of the string, and you can also compare the strings. Say for example C is another string, you can put Jello. Okay, the comparison based on the ASCII value. Then A is less than B. Okay, the condition is true because A contains the hello, B contains the world. Then you can check the comparison. Okay, the first character is H, here it's a W. Then W is the higher ASCII value. That's why we ultimately A is less than B. Similarly, we can keep on checking with each and every character and it reports. Then you can also check whether the particular character is available in the string. Say for example E in A, which is available, then it returns a true. Then these are the following string methods. Suppose I want to use A is equal to, the string is a happy birthday. The methods are A dot, I can use some type intelligence, capitalize of A. Then the first character of a string is capitalized. That's why the H is capitalized. Then I can use upper function. It changes all the characters into uppercase. Similarly, A dot lower of, then it changes all the character into lowercase. I can change the strings into, okay, title case. In the sense, each and every word first character should be capitalized. And then you can also say that swap case. For that I have to take another example. B is equal to welcome you all. Okay, for the particular string, each and every word starts with uppercase letter. If I have to use swap case, B dot swap case of, then all the uppercases are converted into lowercase and lowercase letters are converted into uppercase. Okay, look at this example. And then split off function. Say for example a dot split off. Then based on the delimiter, if you are not specifying any delimiter, space as a delimiter, then based on the space it separate the entire string into substrings. Then there are two substrings are available, happy as well as birthday. And then you can use a dot center of, you can say the 20 pixel, 20, width is the 20, and then we can say that the filling character is the star. And if you take a happy birthday, it has a 14 character, and then the leading space it fill with the star, and trailing space is also filled with the star. Okay, look at. Then you can use the a dot count of method to count the substring within the given string. Say for example happy. Okay, it is a substring which is available in the happy birthday. Then the count is 1. Then you can also do a replacement operation. A dot replace of the happy is replaced by wish you happy. Then now the result is just like the happy is replaced with wish you happy birthday. Then we can say that it is a replacement operator. The next one is the join operator. If I am saying that if I have a b is equal to some character, we can say that it is a hyphen operator. If I am saying that b dot join of a, and it take each and every character from a and joins with the character which is available in b, the result is okay, happy birthday, but after every character of a, the hyphen is concatenated. Okay, we can say that it's a join operator. And you can also check whether the string is all are uppercase, all are lowercase, all are alphabets, then alphanumeric. Okay, you can check it. Okay, we can see one by one. A dot is upper of. Okay, it is. You can use this function, check whether all the letters in the string a is upper. Okay, it is false because you know that happy birthday all the strings are lowercase. Then I can say that a is lower of. Then the result is true because all the characters are lower. You can also check a is alpha. Okay, it contains only the alphabets. Okay, you can say that if string is a happy space birthday, then the space is included. That's why it is not a alpha only. Say for example, if I am saying that b is equal to some string just like bmkb, then if I am saying that b dot is alpha, okay, now it returns the result as a true because the b contains only the string alphabets alone. That's why it returns a true. Next, you can say that a is alphanumeric. Then it returns the result as a false because it has alphabets along with space character is also available. It is not alphanumeric. Say for example, if I am saying that c is equal to 1, 2, 3 and ABC. Now this string contains alphabets as well as numeric. If I am saying that c dot is alphanumeric, then the result is true. Then you can apply C is digit. C does not contain digit. Okay, it contains the alphanumeric characters. Then the result is a false. If I am saying that D is equal to the string contains only the numbers, then D dot is digit of, then it returns the result as a true. Then you can also check whether the string contains only the space in the sense it contains only the special characters, white space characters or escape sequence. Say for example, if I'm saying that E is equal to space and then slash n and then slash t. Okay, now if I am saying that E dot is space of, then the result is true because it contains only the white space characters or escape sequence. And then you can also check whether A is title case. Okay, it is not a title case, all the letters are lowercase, then it is result as a false. Then you can also check whether the string is starts with a, whether the string is starts with h, that the string is starts with h. Yes, the happy birthday, the string is starts with h, then it returns a result as a true. Then a dot ends with of y. Yes, definitely the particular string is end with us y. That's why the result is true. Then you can also find a dot find of, I want to find the birthday index position. Then it returns, okay, it returns the 6th index position. Then you can apply min of a, then the space is returns, then max of a, then it returns the highest ASCII character which is available in the string, and it's a y. Okay. Then okay, now we are going to see the example program. Check whether the given string is palindrome or not. Palindrome or not. For that I have to get the input. Say for example, original string is equal to input of enter the string, enter the string, enter string, and I have to reverse the given string with the help of a slicing operator. Original square bracket colon colon. Okay, you have to reverse the string with the help of an -1. Each iteration it gets the value from reverse. Okay, start value is not mentioned, the end value is not mentioned, but the step value is the -1 from the reverse position to each and every characters are stored in the reverse string. Then the result will be the original strings would be reversed, and you can check if reverse is equal to original, then print the given strings palindrome, else the given string is not a palindrome, print not palindrome. Okay, you have to save this program. Okay, I have to save this program in the specified directory. You have to save the program and then run it. Okay, when you're saying that F5, it runs the program. Okay, it runs the module, and the string is just like if I'm saying that it is a madam. Okay, it is a palindrome. Then one more run for the not a palindrome string. If I'm saying that any other string, just like Balakrishnan, it is not a palindrome.